Here's some Haussmannian urban planning trivia. Subscribe. Who was the main architect of Paris's transformation in the mid-19th century? Is it A. Georges Dufail, B. Georges-Eugène Haussmann, C. Napoleon Bonaparte, or D. Eugène Viollet-le-Duc? The correct answer is B. Georges-Eugène Haussmann. What year did the extensive renovations of Paris begin? Is it A. 1820, B. 1853, C. 1845, or D. 1860? The correct answer is B. 1853. Which French emperor initiated the urban transformation of Paris? Is it A. Louis XVI, B. Napoleon III, C. Charles de Gaulle, or D. Francis I? The correct answer is B. Napoleon III. What was the aim of Haussmann's urban planning? Is it A. Preservation of history, B. Modernization, C. Increased military presence, or D. Expansion of agriculture? The correct answer is B. Modernization. Which museum underwent significant changes during this period? Is it A. British Museum, B. Vatican Museum, C. MoMA, or D. Louvre? The correct answer is D. Louvre. What type of sanitation improvements were a focus in Haussmann's work? Is it A. Trash collection, B. Road resurfacing, C. Water fluoridation, or D. Sewage system? The correct answer is D. Sewage system. Which type of street lighting was introduced under Haussmann? Is it A. Solar lamps, B. Lantern lights, C. Fluorescent tubes, or D. Gas lamps? The correct answer is gas lamps. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.